Crafting compelling product listings is crucial for e-commerce success. Enter ChatGPT, the AI game changer, offering a powerful tool to boost your sales. Here's how. 1. Captivating copywriting. Ditch the generic descriptions. Leverage ChatGPT to generate unique, engaging product descriptions that highlight features, benefits, and solve customer pain points. 2. SEO optimization. Speak the language of search engines. ChatGPT can craft content rich with relevant keywords, ensuring your products appear at the top of search results. 3. Personalized appeal. Cater to diverse audiences. Generate product descriptions tailored to different buyer personas, emphasizing features relevant to each segment. 4. A/B testing efficiency experiment without breaking the bank. ChatGPT helps you create variations of product descriptions for A/B testing, allowing you to identify the highest converting copy. 5. Scalability for growth. Forget the time-consuming manual process. Generate product listings for your entire catalog in a fraction of the time, allowing you to focus on other strategic areas.